Hi, I'm going to show you how to do this granny stripe stitch. I used medium worsted yarn and an H hook. You can use any type of hook just depending on how big you'd like it. And this type of stitch is great for blankets and washcloths. And I did it mostly in double crochets. And so I'm going to show you how to get started. Okay, to get started you're going to slip knot onto your hook. And this stitch is done in multiples of 3, so I'm going to do a sample of chain 24 plus 2 for a turning chain, so that will be a total of 26. So you can yarn over and begin your chains, and at the end for the sample you'll have a chain of 26. So continue on until you have a chain of 26. Okay, you have 26 chains. At the end, you're going to single crochet in each chain across, and in the second chain from the hook, you're going to single crochet. 1, 2, insert your hook, grab that yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then single crochet in each chain until you get to the very end, and you'll have a single crochet in each chain. Okay, so finish that all the way until the end, and meet me back at the end. But at the end here, you're going to work a chain 3, and turn, and then the same stitch as your chain 3, you're going to work a double crochet. So yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Then you're going to skip 2 chains and work 3 double crochet in the next. You have 1, and then 2 double crochet. And then 3, so the pattern across is 3 double crochet after you skip 2 chains, 2 single crochet, 1, 2, 3 double crochet in the next, and then repeat, skip 2, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, and you're going to work that until the very end. Skip 2, 3 double crochet, and then at the end I'll show you how to finish. It'll be 2 double crochet in the last single crochet. So meet me back at the end. Okay, you're at the end and you're going to skip 2 and then work 2 double crochet at the end in the last stitch. And it should look like this when you're done with this row. The next row you're going to chain 3, turn your work, and then in this space here you're going to work 3 double crochet, and then you're going to repeat that across till the end. So in this space you're going to work 3 double crochet again, and then 3 double crochet again, and then repeat that in each space, 3 double crochet until the end, and I'll show you how to finish this end for this row. Okay, you're at the end here with your 3 double crochet. You have 1 chain 3, which counts as a double crochet here, and you worked your 3 double crochets in the gaps here. So at the end you're going to finish with 1 double crochet here on top of the chain 3. And so it's going to look like this. Then you're going to chain 3, turn your work, you can double crochet in that same stitch, and so now you're going to start alternating between this row and this row to finish this pattern. And then you're going to work 3 double crochet in this gap here. You work your 1. And then you'll be working 3 double crochet in this next space, this gap. And then you'll be repeating that along the edge here. So you have your 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 3, 3, 3, and then when you get to the end you'll work 2 double crochet at the end here. So go across and work your 3 double crochet in each of these gap spaces here, and I'll meet you back at the end. Okay, you're at the end here. And you're going to end with 2 double crochet in this space here. So you're rotating and alternating between this row and this row. So you'll have 3 double crochet, 1 and then 2, and then 3 double crochets and then 2. So you're alternating between these two. The link for that pattern is listed down below. And then if you like to switch colors, I'll show you how to do so. I'm going to pull through the loop, and then you're going to chain 3 to start. And then you'll alternate back to the next row. So you have your 1, chain 3, which counts as your double crochet, and then work 3 double crochet in that gap. 3 double crochet cluster. And then 3 double crochet again. So you have your 1, 3, 3, and 3 in each gap space. And then you'll just end with 1 on top of your chain 3, and then you'll just alternate between these 2 rows. So 2 and then 1, 1, 2, and then 1, and then all 3s, and then 1 and 2. So your ends will be 2 and 2, and then 1, and up here 1, just like down below. And you're just alternating back and forth between those 2 rows. And this is how you do this granny stripe stitch. And thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know, and please subscribe.